All right, guys, welcome back to Soai, and we are here with oh boy Rice today again. Rice got the craziest laugh.
Right.
So we're going to. I don't even know where we're going. Anytime I head out with this boy, it's like going on an adventure, bro. Where are we going to today?
Dora, 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 the Explorer. Nah, let me stop. So we heading to 181st and the Grand Concourse.
Yo.
Buena. And so there's a Dominican spot there. One of my favorite. I've actually.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you. If they're gonna be right here, this is where I'm gonna eat today.
Yeah, they're here all day.
Huh?
They're here all day. Buenos días, mi amor. ¿Todo bien? Con Dios, con Dios.
What do they sell?
Shish kebabs.
Oh, okay.
They do shish kebabs, meats, and
Shish
stuff
kebabs,
like that.
meats.
Yeah, and it look like they got their own juices going on. I got my own juices going on too.
Oh, they got okay. I wonder what this is. This is there like horchata?
No, they're Dominican.
Okay.
Oh, okay. That's passion fruit with milk. Chinola.
You know I like that. Yo, I'm not gonna.
Chinola con leche, tú sabes.
I won't be able to stay focused, bro.
I know.
I won't be able to stay focused because like there's so much food here.
Yeah. So they're setting up right now. They have a whole tent here. They be here. That's why I told you, like, yo, 12, 1 o'clock time over here. Busy.
Yo, over here. I need to improve my Spanish. Ask her like what she sell. What
What do you sell?
comida? Yeah, bro, they got me, bro. They got me.
Soy con mucho Florida.
I got no. Fun and joke aside, not about yams, potatoes, carrots, nothing like that. Like over here in Fordham, it's my first time like perusing, and I'm seeing a lot more street food stuff. There was guys selling snow cones, something like Omni porridge. I know it's not Omni porridge, like so much different. I'm so excited. Yo, let's go. Okay, so we had to stop. Fun and jokes aside, I lived out in DR for a while, and it was amazing. And I didn't go to DR for all the funny business that everybody else went to. Swear on God, never did anything like that. I was there for the food and the vibe. And that lady just now, I respect her hustle because she's out there. I mean, the guys will look at her and be like, yo, she a baddie, but she out there and she's actually a hustler, you know, trying to make that bread, which is like amazing to see. So Rice was telling me about this spot we're gonna check out, but he said the video might be short because it's not really an extensive menu. So I might just pop here for a little bit, grab something, even if it's a drink, and then we head over to that spot. Yo, why you sitting like that?
Hey,
Yo,
I do daily squats.
Yo,
every
bro, you are
day.
a character. That's all I can
do
say,
daily
bro.
Bro, you gotta keep the groin, stretched
Yo,
out.
what on there, Rice?
Yeah.
Why you have to add the part in this?
You asked me why, and I'm telling you. Yo, I do daily squats.
He never.
Sorry, this is my exercise time right now, okay?
Fuck it up,
You
bro.
recorded. You recorded, so I do daily squats.
Yeah, but they can't squat, but what make you have ya?
No, you asked me why, and I just said, you can't keep it locked off, bro.
Okay.
Mire, ¿cuánto es de la jugo? ¿Eh? $5. $5.
5?
Yeah. You get one. I'm straight. Where you from Santiago?
You were right. You won that bet.
Santiago women, they always smiling, they happy. The way they carry themselves, Santiago women, bro, they different, man.
That's what's up.
Like, coño,
Okay,
like, muy
ask her,
bonito.
which one is the best one?
¿Qué tú gusta mucho?
Can I do is it possible to do a sample?
Ask her.
Yeah, kind of.
Which one's your favorite? ¿Y tú,
Favorito.
qué tú gusta pa mucho? ¿Y tú? Huh? Yeah, you see? So
Which
she
one?
likes the passion fruit with the passion fruit with the avena inside. So it's not milk, it's avena.
Damn, I'll try.
So it's passion fruit with oatmeal, this one, and regular passion fruit.
Oh, passion fruit with oatmeal. This one?
Yeah, this is the passion fruit with oatmeal.
That good for your back, you know?
That's good.
I'll take one. Sorry. I'll take one. Thank you. That one, please. Yeah.
Con Dios, mi amor, mi amor. You need papers? Let me stop.
Bro, I heard
I said, if you need papers, I'll marry you for papers if you want.
Ah.
You married? Okay, it's fine, it's fine. I'm trying to help you out, you know? I love Dominican women, you know?
Okay, we want passion fruit?
See, passion fruit. No.
With the avena?
¿Es avena?
Yes.
Yeah, passion fruit y avena.
This is have passion fruit.
Sí.
Ah, bueno.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, I can
Ponele con YouTube.
Oh, sí.
Ah,
Thank
sí.
you. Gracias.
Gracias, que tenga buen día.
Sí. Con Dios, mi amor.
Yo. What?
We come back. We're gonna come back. Yeah.
Can I sit?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. All right, so we got some chinola con avena, which is passion fruit, is chinola, and avena is oatmeal. Let's try this. Sounds crazy, but don't knock it. I never had it with oatmeal before,
I've never.
but
Yeah.
I've had the fruit with the milk, and I like it. But let's see. It might be surprising. What is? What
Okay.
is?
No. Pa la Jamaica.
Bro,
Jamaica. See?
bro.
Huh? She asked if you was Dominican, bro.
Did bad?
It nice?
Brother.
Yeah?
I ain't be probably because I like eating weird stuff sometimes.
No, that
But-
thing's weird, bro, when
Bro.
it comes to food. Yo, el gusto mucho. See?
This is interesting, bro. If you're a foodie, you're gonna like this. It's interesting. It just tastes like a. Oh my God, I can't explain it. So the chinola, the passion fruit, you know, it's very tart, kind of tangy, sweet, and then the oatmeal on top of it. I don't know what to say. This is strikingly good. For a first-time experience, this is strikingly good. I asked bro, if you're looking for something that's more like a food
You
drink
too.
and kind of sweet and candy-like, kind of,
Yeah,
almost like a
it
Jolly
is.
Rancher, bro, it's pretty interesting. Bro, I like this way more than I thought I would.
Oh yeah?
Way more than I thought I would. Like, what the hell?
I see your expression.
What the hell? And we just at the street side. That's what we're doing. We're on the side of the street right now, just chilling. She set up a whole restaurant. Bruh, this is dope, bro. I'm gonna wait around, bro.
Take your time, man.
New York is too fast for me to not kick back and just relax,
Come
bro.
on,
What are we
relax,
rushing
man.
for?
1, 2,
Look at the
3.
views, bro.
How you mean? It's my ends, bro.
New York. I don't care what anybody want to say about New York.
Man, Bronx is the best borough. Stop playing. I don't care what nobody say.
Point blank, the Bronx.
Yeah, 'cause it's such a melting pot. Everyone coexists. I said this prior and I'm saying it again.
I like
An
it, bro.
amazing melting pot.
Just don't go to the bad parts. Have a
Yeah.
friend like Rice that know what he doing. You should start a tour business, bro.
I wish.
Yo, if you
I
guys,
told you YouTube. It's been a dream of mine. Like I've always wanted to do YouTube, you know. But
what's holding you back?
in real honesty, being a out of cake. Sorry for my language, but yeah, just being like iffy and not following my dreams, honestly. You know, but right now where I'm at in life is like I'm not in corporate anymore, so why not forward with it? You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
And I'm such a people person. I love people, and I just, as you could tell since we've been hanging out, like I love everyone. This is who I am. I'm a God of child, and yeah, I could sit down and interview people all day long and enjoy food and different cultures. You know, a lot of people, like, they have their idols like Michael Jordan, Kobe, or, you know, what's the guy in football, Mazzi, right? You know, mine, since growing up as a kid, I grew up watching food, and Anthony Bourdain, God rest his soul. Yeah, Anthony Bourdain was my guy, man.
I don't have a lot, bro,
Yeah,
but I have another one of these cameras.
yeah. I have cameras.
You
home,
have
not gonna
cameras?
lie. Yeah, I
Oh,
have.
you
You
good.
know, I have the A6500. You know, I have a RX 1000. I have what I need to do. See, because they're at Lowe's, Paradise Deals. That's what you said. Salsa Veda, right? Yeah, what's sazon, bro? The sauce you put on it while it's grilling. You need that. Keep it moist, keep it juicy. I'm sorry for my apologies. Some people don't like the word moist, but yeah. ¿Cuánto año hay?
Boy Rice,
Yo, what up, what up,
what's
what
the
up?
chop? How you feel right here, bro? I
Man,
know this is an impromptu stop. This is how I am. I'm wild and free.
Man, I'm chilling, man. I'm cooling like the other side of the pillow, man. It's such a great day.
Rice and
April-
then shots, guys.
You already know.
Sorry, bro. My phone camera got full. Go ahead, go for it.
I'm sorry. Yeah, man. So I'm out here chilling like the other side of the pillow, man. You know what I mean? One thing with me, I don't give a I don't give a I'm comfortable with my body, my sexuality, and all that shit.
Yeah.
So I post up on the gram like this. My man Soai goes, "Yo, why you posing on Instagram like a sexy bitch?"
I didn't say that. I said like a bad.
Like, oh, sorry, like a bad bitch. You out here on IG like a bad bitch. I don't give a
No,
I love-
that's not why. You gotta paint the picture. Why? What pose did I comment on? You were in the passenger side of a nice car.
Yeah. I was in the passenger side of a Suburban.
Yeah.
And I'm cooling. But
And
yo,
then
it's
all
like 80 degrees.
wait, I gotta show them because you ain't telling
No,
the story
my
right.
my shit was like this.
You-
My shit was like this.
All you were seeing like this in the car, and the shorts were like up here, bro. I'm like, I'm like, what's happening?
No, yo, I get bare shit. But you know what? The funny thing is this, right? It's only dudes that be on like, you know, no offense to you, so like I found that funny, but some people start taking this shit personally, like, yo, you be on IG wildin'. I'm like, how am I wildin'?
No.
Oh, they be like, oh, you be having your whole John out. I'm like, I don't be having my John out. They be telling me some wild shit. Bueno, the catty them, the girl them, whatever, they be like, hey yo, hey, cuidado, like watch out because you out here, you wildin'. And then you know, I shouldn't even say that on the camera, but anyway, the joints be like, they love that shit. So, I don't,
Basically, saying like you just posting being free, just living.
yeah, I'm free and I'm living. And then it's just like, I come to realize, like in life, stay blessed, stay sexy. That's it. Yeah, no problem.
Boy, Rice, a sniper, you know.
I might speed up, you know. Listen to me. You know what's my saying?
What?
If she ain't 180, she ain't a lady. You heard?
What?
Mic drop.
You need to explain that to me.
Yo, bro. If she ain't at least 180 pounds, she ain't a lady. If she
Oh.
ain't 180, she ain't a lady.
I see she got some bread on there, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a small piece of bread. That's traditional. This is traditional New York style. the little Italian rolls like that. They cut it. So you're gonna see. Look, they line it up with the chicken, and then boom. Well, she's supposed to put the bread on top. But yeah, that's exactly what it is. Then they put the barbecue sauce on it. Ay, muy bueno. Tú sabes. You know?
Damn. Hold some me rice.
Yeah.
Espérate que estoy ocupada.
You're literally about to have a New York staple right now.
In español, pork is carne.
Sí. Pollo. Pollo.
No,
so,
pollo is chicken.
Yeah.
Pork is
Cerdo.
cerdo, sí, cerdo, sorry.
Yeah.
Beef. Res.
Para mí yo quiero pollo y cerdo
¿Quieres picante? No.
con pan. See?
I see you. Yeah.
I have very ugly,
Listen, it's
broken
something.
Spanish.
It's something. No, yo, I try every day. Every day I practice.
I'm gonna start
my
practicing.
Spanish.
I stopped. I used to practice a lot when I was traveling a lot. All right, so
What do you want?
cerdo
Yeah.
para mí. Well, that look good.
Barbecue?
No. Original. Dominic.
No.
In DR, do they have barbecue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dime a ver,
You gotta have the barbecue.
Okay, see. Barbecue.
Barbecue?
See. Anything you think, you do it your way. You want something, bro?
Yo,
Bro.
we're gonna have to eat there, bro. We're gonna have to eat there.
Okay.
Yeah. Bro, I don't eat until 5-6 p.m., bro. Every day. I don't eat this early.
Are you a monk?
No, it's a fucking no run off. I don't know what it is because I just this is my run time, my walk time. Like I was in,
Yeah.
and then I settle in, grab a little something, you know, and I call it a day. Come on, good.
Thank you.
Gracias. Thank you.
Bye. Gracias.
See.
So, you know this gotta be well good because I'm halfway through this drink. I like it. I'm not sure if you guys gonna like it, but for me, it was bomb. Come down here. We are, try to say the American way. East 188th Street crossing Grand Concourse. That's it? That's how they say it? All right, we got the shish kebab. Nice and toasty. This looks like a French bread. Kind of like a baguette. Yo, and the smoke is from that grill. Not a charcoal grill, but the charring and a bit of that barbecue is good. It's doing what it's supposed to do. I ain't gonna tell you it's special, but it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Let's check out this shish kebab. Nice, glossy, with that barbecue sauce and that. The sauce looks like a salsa verde in a little way.
Yeah, so it's a salsa verde with barbecue sauce and also a little touch of hot sauce.
Touch of hot sauce, yeah. I did tell I wanted some hot sauce on it. Here we go. Nice pull. Still maintains a fair amount of tenderness. Can't be too tender. It's gonna fall right off the shish kebab. You don't want that. It should stay intact. Bro,
What do you think?
for $5, oh my God.
On a roll today, Soai, with the $5 gives, you know what I'm saying?
This is a $5 holler. Look at that. Delicioso. And I got the pork. Man, I keep forgetting what pork is in Spanish. What is it again?
I don't know the word she said. I don't know that word. I'm gonna be honest with you. Sorry.
Cerdo.
Cerdo.
Cerdo is pork,
Cerdo
yeah.
con pollo.
Mm-hmm.
Pork and the chicken.
Well good. Well good, my boy. Is she every day?
Every day.
Every day.
I walk through here every day. I've never seen a day where they're not here.
The perfect snack if you only got $5 in your pocket and you don't want to get no fish and sandwich like that. You want to get some pork or some chicken, have some Dominican music, From the DR. It's pretty good.
And we came here about maybe 11:35, and she was just setting up, and she opened up completely food already at about 12:15, 12:20. The food was ready.
Yeah, it didn't take
Just
that
keep
long.
That in mind.
And I love the hustle, bro.
Yeah.
She was holding the gasoline by herself, bro,
Yeah.
and bringing it.
Yeah.
She pushed the cart. She got the tent.
Them Dominican get them strong now, you know.
It's not even a joke, bro.
Yeah, true. Get them, they're strong, man. They're strong.
And she beat. It's dope. Rice said, I'm not eating no food, I'm watching figure. Ciao, mi amor. Ciao, ciao. I used to love that, you know, when you're in Hispanic countries.
Oh,
they
yeah.
say everybody's mi amor, my love.
Yeah,
They say
yeah.
it a lot, even though it's not intimate or anything like that.
Oh, yeah, right. Shit. Nah, because that's.
You always have
I always got something to say. So this is what it is, right? So I've always thought the same thing too, right? So this was back in before the New Year, November, December time. I went with my ex. We were in DR for a month, and we're in a spot. So I'm trying to get a server's attention, and I said, "Hola, mi amor, ven pa acá." Bana, how she watched me and she goes, "Oh, you're gonna be disrespectful and call her my love? Call her my love in front of me?" And I'm like, "Yo, I thought that was a thing."
That's a jealous girlfriend.
No,
I'm saying-
no,
but
no, 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 no,
No,
no,
I'm
no.
talking. I'm saying from the other perspective.
I
meaning the girl that
understand
you
that.
say, like,
But
does
yo,
she feel it? Like,
I was with her for 3 years, never jealous, and then I don't know what happened this trip. You know?
that's a whole nother topic.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I just shooting that. I'm shooting that. Or so I was like, what should I say? Hola, chica. She said, yes. Say that.
So
Say mi
basically,
amor.
you're saying though, if you're around your girl, don't say mi amor.
I'm gonna do it again.
Yo, you know what? I'm gonna wrap this episode up. It was fun, not planned. We just walking by that joint.
For sure. We just roaming around, and that's one thing I love about Fordham Road, especially this whole area of the Bronx. It's a melting pot, and it's always an adventure. You never know what you're gonna bump into, and plenty of food. Plain in here, anything you need, you come here, and I guarantee you could get it in 15 minutes. Anything.
That's what's up, my boy. All right. So remember, I got plates on my website. Check out soysauce.com.
And I'm excited to try his food.
Oh, we should make something of that one of these days. Trust me.
For sure, coming through, and we're gonna shoot something, and I'll give my review
That's what's up.
with soy.
So, yeah, really super affordable. You're gonna be getting a bunch of food. If you get the highest tier one, it's gonna come with a drink. And yeah, it's gonna be a vibe. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation.
Stay blessed, stay sexy, you heard?
And always remember to keep the link.